Hey guys, so I just made this. It's from the Duct Tape Experience. It's a tutorial on having like a iPod phone holder. My phone's not an iPod, but I use my Android and I made it fit. It works really good. I'm going to start using it. Hold on. That's better. There. It's in camo. There. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna have another video up tomorrow, maybe today. I'm gonna show you all my wallets that I've made over the past few months. So yeah, thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and thumbs up.